Leaders of the Forum of Presidential Candidates arrive in the venue for the press briefing to review the 2019 general election in Abuja. The group, which claims it has over 60 political parties as its members, applauds the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) for its performance at the 2019 general elections.
The main reason for this press briefing is no any other than to defend the integrity of the election that produced Muhammadu Buhari for a second term.
Having gathered as presidential candidate and political party leaders, we thoroughly x-rayed the 2019 election, the unfavorable and hostile environment the election management body operated under, and the extant law under which the elections were conducted have come to the emphatic conclusion that the INEC performed creditably well. Therefore, the report of the European Union Election Observation Mission released over a week ago, wherein they allege a lack of transparency in the guidelines of election, is bewildering.
This commendation is coming about a week after reports by the European Union Election Observer Mission and other international observer groups severely criticized the performance of INEC at the 2019 polls. Apart from applauding INEC, however, the Forum of Presidential Candidates is also asking the 9th Assembly to make necessary amendments to the electoral laws before the 2023 general elections.
We would like to urge the 9th National Assembly to revisit the electoral bill passed by the 8th National Assembly and resent to the President. The electoral bill amendment will hugely improve our electoral system and its process. And at this junction, we call on the 9th National Assembly that they should look at the bill proposed for electoral offense.
This Forum of Presidential Candidates was one of those groups who endorsed President Buhari prior to the conduct of the 2019 presidential election.